Hello, I'm Frank with YodaTEQ, and today we're going to show you our antenna mounts for the 80 series Toyota Land Cruiser and Lexus LX450. You can also use these for backup lights or camp lights. These mounts are designed to be a direct replacement. Let's go ahead and install these, and all you need is a 12mm socket, a 3/8 ratchet, and a flathead screwdriver. First thing we need to do is remove the two 12mm bolts and remove the OEM bracket. What I'm doing here is I'm removing the rubber bumper out of the original mount, and these were designed as a direct replacement. So install the rubber bumper into the new mount, and what that does, it centers and aligns the rear hatch. All we're doing now is installing the two 12mm bolts and fastening the mount onto the Land Cruiser. And in this install, we're installing backup lights, where you can use as reverse lights or camp lights. And that's a wrap. The install is complete. Thanks for watching, and make sure you follow us here on YouTube, and you can get these mounts at YodaTEQ.com. Also follow us on Instagram at YodaTEQ and also on Facebook. Thanks for watching.